What you got to say? Why? Huh? Can you do? Can you do? Hey, bud. Wyatt. Good morning. Get out of bed. Rub the sleep out of your eyes. Shake those arms and shake those legs. Now it's time to Wyatt's eyes. It's easy and it's fun. Get ready, follow me. You should laugh because Mommy can't sing to save her life. It's pretty funny, actually. Say hi. Hey, Why? Hey, Bubby, do this. Can you do that? What do you see? Huh? What do you see? Yeah? Are you having fun? Oh, look at you kick your toys. I see you. I see you. Hey, Wyatt. Mommy sees you. Mommy sees you. Yeah. What you got to say this morning? You have anything good to say? Any good stories? Huh? Hi. Hi. Hi, Bubby. Hi, Bubby. You like your new gym, huh? Are you having fun?